Welcome to today's offer on our no deposit bonus offer. All you just have to do is to click the link below this video. You'll be directed to where you can find the link to download, the link to register for this particular offer. Here is a 100k free challenge with a $300 cash. So all you just have to do first thing to do is to register for this particular account. You click on register, then you fill in your details under this video, under this fill in your details here. Then immediately you are done filling in your details, click on register, and once you are done registering, make sure you verify your account in order to have the full access to the website. Now let me log in my account. Here I just logged in my account. All you just have to do is to is to click the link, these three lines up here. Immediately you click that link. Once you click the link up, the three line up there, then many options is going to show. Here are the options that are going to pop up. The next thing you have to do is to click on competition. As you can see, here is a competition. Click on competition, then immediately you click on competition. As you can see, it's going to show all upcoming, ongoing. Here are the three options it's going to show. The next thing you have to do is to click on upcoming, this particular one, upcoming. As you can see, you click on that particular one, then immediately you click on upcoming. Very good, you'll be directed here. Then the next thing you have to do is to click on register. Kindly register for this particular competition. So very good. Then the next thing is register now. So you click on register now. Done. You have successfully registered for the competition. An email will be, so the email that will be sent to you will entails your your login details. That is what you'll be using to trade. And now let us click on details in order to see the reward for those that come first. Here is the first position's reward: $300 in cash plus 100k challenge, 2-step challenge. So you just you'll be given 100k free profile account with $300 in cash, while the second person will receive $200 in cash with same thing. Third person will receive $100 cash, then 50k challenge. While from 4th to 5th you'll be given 50k challenge. 6th to 10th will be given 25k challenge. Then 11th to 25th will be given 10k challenge. So all you just have to do is to be among these people that will come first, that will do better than others. Now let me click on ongoing just for you to see the previous record on this particular one. Very good. Click on details, rank and prices. Now let's go for finished very good. Here are the finished. As you can see, at the end of the whole thing, just only 22 people were able to finish. Now see the people standing. The first person made 10,000 profits, while the second person made 6,000 profits, as you can see, while others make just ordinary 1,000 plus profits. So you can do better than these people. So all you just have to do is just to jump on this competition, register for it, and do extremely well, like do very well. Then you'll be given your reward. Nothing, no strings attached, just pure competition. The only thing you were required to do is just register and jump on the competition. So once you can do well, you will surely be given. As you can see, they started in November 2022, and see, it's still ongoing. There's a reward for July. Just only 306 people were able to finish the competition without breaching any rule, and the rules are just normal 5% daily drawdown, and no edging, daily drawdown, and which other rules itself, and overall drawdown. Those are the common rules. So as you can see, it's very easy. So just jump on these people and be among the 25 people that will be rewarded. You can do it, so don't give up. Just jump on it as soon as you can. The competition is going to start by September 1st, so you still have opportunity to jump on it from now till till August 31st. but immediately starting from September 1st, the competition will start fully. So it is as easy as that. Now for the previous months, the person that came first were able to make 84%, which is 84,000. Here are the people. The person that came second is from Nigeria. You can see there are so many Nigerians that did extremely well. So just jump on this particular offer. Don't sleep on it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others as well. Take care, guys. See you guys in my next video.